Students, open your notebooks. Now flip the pages quickly while holding the book close to your face. Now tell me, what do you feel? Yes, you feel cool. This is because the air around the book moves and you feel it. Let us learn about the air which is all around us. Air is all around us. Air is everywhere. We breathe air. It is necessary for life. We feel it only when it moves. We cannot see the air, but if you flap a hand fan near your face, you will feel the air. If you ride a bicycle, you will feel the air against your face. We can feel the air when it moves. Now you can see the crops, moving crops with air. Air occupies space and it has weight. Do one small experiment. Take a balloon, blow air into it. The balloon becomes bigger and bigger when it is filled with air. This shows air occupies space. We can fill air into football, cycle tube, swimming tube, etc. Air has weight. Take two balloons of same weight. Fill air into both balloons and tie them at the end of a string like this in the image. Then remove the air from one of the balloons. You will find that the balloon which is filled with air is heavier than the empty balloon. So we can say air has weight. All living things need air to stay alive. We breathe in air all the time. It is one of our basic needs. Let us know, what does air contain? Air contains water vapor. After washing clothes, we hang them out in the sun to dry. The clothes become dry in few hours. Where does the water from the wet clothes go? Pour some water on a floor. It disappears after some time and the floor becomes dry. Where does the water in both the activities go? The water from wet clothes and the floor changes into water vapor and mix with air. The heat of the sun makes water changes into gas. This gas is called water vapor. Water in water bodies such as ponds, like this you can see here, lakes, rivers, sea, etc. gets heat from the sun. This heat slowly keeps changing the water into water vapor. All the water vapor goes into the air. So water vapor is always present in the air, or we can say water vapor, air contains water vapor. You can see in the image, water is drying due to the heat of the sun. Evaporation process it is known as. Now, air contains dust particles. What is dust? Dust is fine particles of soil. These particles are always present in the air. Sweep the room and dust the furniture. Dust particles rise up and mix with the air. Vehicles move along the roads. Dust particles rise above the ground and mix with the air. Air becomes more dusty on kacha roads. You can see these roads are kacha, so the more dust is there. Look at the sun rays entering a dark room. You will see dust particles floating in the air through a slit. Thus, we can say air contains dust particles. Now, see here, in a sun rays, you can see the dust particles. Here is a dark room with a sun rays. You can see dust particles in a light, sunlight. Now, next, air contains smoke. Smoke is a dark colored gas that is given out when something burns. Smoke too keeps entering into air. Smoke is released when something burns. It comes out mainly from fires, factories. Moreover, fumes from the road vehicles go into the air. Thus, we can say that smoke is present in the air. जो आप भगवान के पास अगरबत्ती दिया जलाते हो, that time is also smoke is released. Yes, firecrackers. And that time, along with the smoke, all poisonous gases are also released into the air. Burning of firecrackers is very Burning of firecrackers is not good. It creates air pollution. Air may contains germs. Germs are very small living things that can make you ill. When a sick person coughs, sneezes or vomits, germs mix with the surrounding air. Thus, smoke, germs make the air dirty. Which ones? Dust, smoke, germs make the air dirty and impure. So it is said, if you are sneezing or coughing, cover your nose and mouth. Nowadays everyone is using mask. Clean and fresh air. Dirty and impure air is harmful to health. So we need pure air to breathe in. Air is pure when it is fresh. We must therefore live in fresh air. To get fresh air, grow green plants around your house. They make the air clean and fresh. Never live or play in smoky or dusty places. The air in these places is impure. Live in an airy room. Let fresh air and sunlight come in. Never cover your face while sleeping. The air we breathe out is impure. We must not breathe it again. Do have regular walk in fresh air. Air is fresh in open places. Always play in open places. Take exercise in fresh air. It is good for health. Riversides too have fresh and pure air. You learn in this lesson all living things need air to stay alive. Air contains water vapor, dust particles, smoke and germs. Dust is fine particles of soil. Dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty and impure. Dirty and impure air is harmful to health. We must breathe in clean and fresh air. We must grow more and more plants. You know, air is dirty. We say it contaminated or polluted. Smoke and dust in air can cause disease such as breathing problems, irritation in eyes, and coughing. Dear students, teaching part of the lesson is over. Now, filling the blanks, true or false. Question, tick the correct answer, match the following and answer the following. PDF will come in a WhatsApp group. Okay, bye.